This is HUAWEI Nova Y91, and today I would like to show how you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So first you will need to launch the app gallery and download free Turbo VPN application. So let me quickly do that. So launch the app once it is successfully installed, then tap at the green continue button. Then we will need to skip the ad that follows. And finally, in order to connect your device to VPN, tap at the caret icon over here, accept the connection request, and wait a few seconds. As you can see, our device is connected to proxy now. While at it, you can change country, city, or server that you are connected to. And if you would like to turn the VPN off, you gotta simply tap at this cross icon over there, choose the disconnect option. And that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.